want to show you how to edit your Facebook page name. So you come to your Facebook and you click. Once you open your normal Facebook wall, which kind of political thing be this one? Please, I'm not here for politics, Jerry. So these three lines, you click there. Now then you can either come to this place and click and then choose, in case you have more than one, but I'm not going to click there. I will switch. So I will just, you see what I did? I will just click here. Okay, I'll click here, and then this is the one I want. This one, Digital Pro. So I click on Digital Pro. Now once it opens like this, you can see that means you are in your wall. Okay, then you go to that three lines again. This one, if I click that line now, it will bring what I'm using to this head. Those three lines, 1 to 3. You click it. Okay, so click there. Now then you scroll down. You see where I am now. Yeah. So you see this place, settings. So you click on settings. Facebook used to change this thing sometimes when they update. So next time you might come here, the edit button is no more here. They've brought it and kept it in front of my house. So just take note. Sometimes they change it, they move it. So now you will see this place. You will see this place. See it? So you click there. If you want to change your name, so I just changed my name, and I cannot change my name again until after 60 days, 2 months. So I'm supposed to put, so this is how to change your name. Okay, so you will click this place, and put the name you want. But please take note, once you put it and you change it, you have to wait for another 60 days. Like me now, I have to wait for another 60 days before I can change it to Digital Pro, Certified Digital Marketer. I prefer certified on this place, certified, than this particular one. So this is how to change. And this place too, you can come there and add other things if you want. Let me show you where I click. So that is just all. Okay, you can have fun there, just play with it. Okay, I click here to go again. See everything here. You can check all this and see which one, but this is where to change your name. So see you next time. Digital Pro. Some know me as Professor Holy Rock. Catch you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button in case you find this interesting. Thank you.